the beat.
Oh, right, okay, guys, welcome back to the video, the Hummer. Have we done a Hummer video? Have we not even done a Hummer video yet? Oh my God, is it the first Hummer video ever? With you guys, isn't it? Right, okay, guys, welcome back. Right, I thought my shoes were undone. Right, anyway, the Mini hates that because he has to edit all of this. Right, guys, so we're back. See, we never stop here, we never stop here. Okay, guys, so we have a Hummer H2 in the back, 6.2 American powerhouse, absolute monster of a beast of a car. Belongs to Mr. Sheargill. What a guy, what an awesome guy. Now, what is it here for? Now, the original exhaust system was actually fine. Why it's here, because he's had a gas conversion on there, and when he's doing his long travels, he still can't get good miles per gallon, and he runs out of gas, and he can't be bothered to look for a gas station, and then his fuel runs out as well. So he's having another fuel tank put on. So if you come along, and that's not the Hummer. This is another client. Come this way. Never stops. I told you, never stops. Hello, Jess. Told ya. I know my clients. Right, come along. So we designed him. Okay, here's another question. The ramp is a 3-ton ramp. This is supposed to be just less than 3 ton. The ramp couldn't pick this up. We couldn't pick it up. And that's why it's there. So poor old Victor has been underneath it trying to sort it out. But anyway, guys, look at the work of art that he's done. I mean, should we look at it from here? Should we look at it from there? I mean, look at that. I mean, look at the way he's designed it. Absolutely stunning. So we've moved it out the way because it originally sits down here somewhere. You can see the gas tank that he's already got there, but he's wanted to put a petrol tank in. We've started from either side of the cat. So you've got 2 cats, obviously it's been a V8. It is a V8, right? Okay, and then we've come along in 2.5 inch times 2 into a huge resonator and downswept tips. The important part, not only does it look great, let's see if it sounds great as well. Beast. He didn't want it too much. Would you, honestly, this guy, which surprises me because generally people have them and put them away, or they were used for weddings at some point where people used to hire them out. This gentleman uses this car mostly throughout the week, and he travels to the Land's End and back with his family because it's massive. Have you seen this from inside? I mean, it's like, it creates an echo by the time you get to the other person, isn't it? What? Jump in. Oh, I'll jump in. Right. Minnie, do you want to drive? You need a mic to speak to the person, the driver. Look how far the driver is. Look at that. Hello. Anyway, right. And it's got seats in the back. Mate, he's got another seat in the back with another tank in the back. Where does this brother go, man? She's got a gas tank underneath. Right then, guys, another one bites the dust. There you are, guys. H2 Hummer here at DKU Performance. For a gas converted vehicle, we removed the OE setup and applied a beautiful exhaust system on the side. It sounds perfect because he travels, all the rest of it. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Drop us a message if you need anything like that. Guys, see you in the next video, man.